Hi, my name is Aaron.
Hi, my name is Jade.
Hi, my name is Eden, and we're with Impaq Homeschooling.
Hello, my name's Aaron and I'm 8 years old and I homeschool with Impaq that I can stay in my pajamas and sleep how long I want. I can wake up anytime I want and I can also spend some time with my family and they can also help me with work. Watching shows with her and baking, making cakes and cookies. I want to become a doctor to fix my mother's arm.
Hi, my name is Jade. I'm 14 years old and I homeschool with Impaq. I love that I can stay in bed the whole day and work in bed, stay in my pajamas the whole day and work anytime during the day. Whenever I don't know anything, I always go to my mother to ask her to explain the question to me and then we figure it out together. For fun, I like swimming, playing games, being with my mother, watching series on Netflix. I enjoy talking to her, taking pictures, watching series, just relaxing with my mother. When I grow up, I'd want to become a lawyer or a mechanical engineer.
Hi, my name is Eden, and I'm a homeschool mom to my two daughters, Jade and Aaron, with Impaq Homeschooling. What I enjoy and love about homeschooling is being able to be with my girls, spending more time with them and getting to know them a lot better. I think it's all about the flexibility for me because as a busy mom, I always need to incorporate a lot of stuff in my schedule within the day. With my daughters, what we love is a lot of baking, spending time in the kitchen, cooking, and of course, catching up on our series. For me, the benefits of homeschooling is definitely getting to spend a lot of time with them because I get to actually know their personalities a lot more over these 2 years we've been homeschooling. Recommending homeschooling, most definitely. I have actually recommended it to a lot of moms within my community about the benefits of homeschooling, and they have actually opted to do homeschooling now. A day in our lives of homeschooling actually differs from day to day depending on what we need to do within the day, but a typical day is just waking up, getting ready, checking our schedules, having our snacks in between the day and getting down to business. My daughters, the ambitions, what I have for them is definitely to focus, study hard, and choose a great career path. The Impaq curriculum for us is very easy to follow. Everything is given to us, a schedule, the study materials, everything is easily accessible as well. For myself, I definitely do enjoy homeschooling. One of the benefits is definitely spending more time with my girls, getting to know them a lot better, and being able to focus on the areas where they are lacking to give them more support.